My name is Christopher Rost. I am a senior associate in the partnerships division at Cvent. GIBTM has been excellent. It's a great opportunity for us to meet with planners from the Middle East and all over the world. One of our biggest initiatives as a company this year is to really expand internationally and really build our database of clients around the world. So GIBTM has really given us that channel to connect with meeting planners from all over the world. We've had a lot of different meetings. We've actually had over 150 meetings in the past 3 days, and we've had numerous hosted buyers from different event management companies, different agencies, different corporations, but we've also had appointments with hotels. We have a channel that connects meeting planners and hotels, so we work both sides of the equation. I went to the welcome reception last night, and it was a phenomenal event. The weather was absolutely beautiful. The hotel was amazing. The food was delicious. And another great opportunity to interact on a more social level with hosted buyers and hoteliers from all over the world. Absolutely, as well as go to AIBTM, as well as EIBTM. We were in Australia a few weeks ago as well, and CIBTM, here's a big show as well that we're looking into. It's www.cvent.com.